Hey guys, Elliot here for Worldwide Auctioneers, and right now we are driving a 2012 Ferrari 458 Spider. See, it's not all just classics and muscle cars here at the Worldwide Auctioneers. No, we have modern supercars too. And let me tell you, this is a fantastic example of one. Showing just 18,000 miles from new, everything on this car is represented perfectly. And this car has over $48,000 in additional options. Now, even if for a Ferrari, that's quite a few. Now, you might think, since it's from 2012, that it's an older Ferrari. Let me tell you, it's not. It drives like it's brand new. You get a dual clutch transmission, and behind me, the song of a 570 horsepower flat plane crank V8 that revs to almost 9,000 RPMs. This car is truly special. Let me give you a brief taste of that Italian soundtrack. Yeah, folks, if you want the supercar experience at a price that won't make your eyes water, it's very difficult to beat the Ferrari 458, especially because after this car, they all went to twin turbo V8s, and now you don't even get a V8 at all in the mid-engine Ferrari. This is a truly, truly special car, and we are proud to have it for our 55th annual Worldwide Auctioneers Auburn auction. Let's do that again. Now this car will be going across the block Saturday evening right here in Auburn. Of course, you can be here, you can bid on the phone, bid online, but believe me, you're gonna wanna be here in person to hear things like this. Oh. We'll see you guys this Saturday right here in Auburn, Indiana.